Today, we're diving into the world of rhythm and beats as we explore the 3 best drum applications for Android. So let's get started and find the perfect drum app for your musical journey. Drum Solo Studio. This app offers a comprehensive simulation of a full drum kit, allowing users to explore a wide variety of drum sounds. With its intuitive interface, users can easily tap on realistic drum pads to create music. The app also features a library of beats and rhythms that you can play along with, making it perfect for both beginners eager to learn and experienced drummers looking to refine their skills. Additionally, users have the ability to record their performances and share them with friends or on social media, fostering a creative community among drummers. Classic Drum. Classic Drum is crafted to give users an authentic drumming experience, closely mimicking a real drum set. It presents a diverse range of drum kits and percussion instruments, allowing for a personalized playing experience. The app includes different modes, such as a tutorial mode that guides beginners through the basics of drumming, and a free play mode for those who wish to express their creativity without constraints. The impressive sound quality and straightforward interface make it easy for anyone to dive in and start playing, regardless of their level of expertise. Real Drum. Real Drum stands out for its realistic drumming experience, featuring high-quality sounds that enhance the playing experience. The app provides a wide selection of drum kits to choose from, catering to different musical styles and preferences. One of its key features is the multi-touch capability, which allows users to play multiple pads at once, simulating the feel of playing an actual drum kit. Furthermore, Real Drum includes a practice mode that offers backing tracks, helping users improve their rhythm and timing while keeping the practice sessions enjoyable and engaging. Thanks for joining us today as we explored Drum Solo Studio, Classic Drum, and Real Drum. Keep drumming and see you in the next video.